Well, after many hours of hiking and wandering around, here comes Drunk Mike down the ladder at the MGM Grand Mine. And we just found a portal, goes back a little ways, comes down to this shaft, takes down another little level, about, what do you say that is, about 50, 60 feet down. And so go off to the right, and we go off to the left. Alrighty.
This looks pretty good. Oh shit.
Which way you want to go first?
I don't know.
No. And okay, so we have some religious writings there. And we have some more religious writings here.
Oh, good. That's always good.
Yeah, that's an interesting sign.
Here's some early explorer. Pull top window as you can. Fresco.
Ah, yes.
I could go with a cold fresco right now.
That'd be nice. Okay, so continuing on the other branch, minor markings.
Roll cart ties.
Yeah. They pulled up the track, but the ties are still there.
More of that red paint. Or religious notes in red blood. Fourth of July, 1951. 20 degrees below zero. I don't think so.
I'm going to look that up in the official weather records and see.
Maybe. Oh, they take the time to write a lie there like that.
I don't know.
I don't think
I would assume that if they were mining, they were busy men. So they kept their whiskey, or their mayonnaise, or their whiskey and their mayonnaise. B2, shoot 4. See, our problem is we don't know where the heck we are. Oh yeah, that's a grizzly right there, okay. I wonder why.
Well, I guess that goes down to the main ore bin.
Goes down to something, that's for sure. Yeah, I don't think I want to get too deep up into that dirty right now. See what
Oh, that's you. Okay.
what'd you hear?
Echoing, guys.
Oh. It's weird though, there's all this wood in here, like right up in here,
Yeah.
like right there.
Dynamite boxes
Yeah.
and timbers
Like, but look at how
They
they're...
tore something out, you know.
Yeah, but look at how, like, split the stuff is. I mean, I would figure you'd tear it out more or less intact. That almost looks like it was blown up.
Part of the collapse, maybe.
Could be. Okay. Ore pinches. So I guess the ore is the stuff on the left? Because it's right there where the rock changes.
Huh.
Well, at least we're in nice solid rock right now. Oh, a lot of airflow too all of a sudden.
Oh, yeah.
Interesting. That's always a good sign though. A little bat. There's a little bat. It's the first one I've actually seen today.
Looks like walking on the moon here.
Yeah, it's very powdery and dusty. More so than usual. Some nice gobbing there. Huh. This part of the mine is far more improved and almost recognizable as a proper mine.
Yeah, back in the ore cart.
Yep.
Trucks, rails. Keep out danger.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that actually,
It's more dangerous than.
I don't know, this looks pretty crappy back here. Yeah. Oh, really? Now, let me just take a quick little walk back here and see what there is to see. And, oh yeah, so this is keep out, a little skull and crossbones. I wonder if this is part of that collapse then, because this is really messed up right here. I mean, this is,
Crossbones.
yep. Maybe this is where the pirates hide their treasure.
I think that's, yeah.
And then, oh, it looks like this actually goes up a ways too. Right here. A little bat hanging out there. So this goes up somewhere, but I'm not sure. Wow, it goes way the hell up though. So this is probably that stope that we could see from outside. Or one of them anyway. Okay, done tempting that fate. Let's get the heck out of this. Prince Albert in a can.
Better let them know. It's a pretty cool ceiling right here. It's like almost a white window.
Wow. Neat. Is there anything back there? Or just dead end?
It goes back a little ways, but it's really broken up.
Oh yeah. Oh,
There's a ladder. Yeah, it kind of looks like it dead ends up in there.
does it go down right there at the end? It looks like it almost drops off or something.
Looks like another chute.
Chutes and ladders.
Good. Chute. And a ladder.
Chutes and ladders. Okay then. Collapsorama? No, more like just
No,
they just
like
threw stuff in
dumped a
there.
whole bunch of shit in there.
Yeah,
From where?
I don't know. Maybe we'll find out. Question is, will we regret finding out? No, it's a nice bent track there. What do we got here? Yeah, not much there. It's kind of the lamest stall I've ever seen. Let's get a little. Oops. Hang on a second there.
I kind of wish it would have.
There we go. Did you bring the maps with you?
Yeah. I think this might be the one that was collapsed. Did a work around it?
I don't know if they did a work around it or what the heck they did, but all right, I got to crawl across it.
Some more levels.
Ah, Drunk Mike has found that, and we have found the Chamber of Doom.
2 more sets of ladders going up.
All right, so
This one is fucking short. We've got a short ladder here.
this is a big stope, so it's go up and down. Wow.
Big old bit.
There's a,
Whoa. It goes up high too.
yeah, there's a shaft right there too, winds. I don't know if you can see it from there. So we got a winds.
Okay, that connects with
That's got to go down to the first level. And it doesn't look like it looks like they just kind of room and pillared this. It might go on a little further back over there. And then just above us, wow. Wow. Holy smokes. And then it goes behind too a little bit. That's amazing.
It's like an arched ceiling.
It does. That is so cool. And then it goes way back over there too. Oh, stretch. Okay. Let's go see what else we can find here. What do we got here? We got an old oil can. RPM Dello. Alrighty then.
Oh, got one of those cans from the Victory.
So on the way out, you notice that what we came through before, that board, these boards have a nice bend to them. And that's kind of got a nice lean to it. Holding back all that rock right there.
What?
I'm just noting, so like those big boards right there, the one that's got the date, yeah, that's got a nice bend in it from holding back all that rock.
It's a little bit of weight.
Yeah, at some point it's just gonna burst. Pretty much. Yeah, this is actually a really sketch area. That's why. Notice you can see the reverb went away. Oh yeah, look.
Oh, look at that.
Minor art. Is that Elvis on a cop?
Yeah, with the foreman yelling at Elvis.
Okay. So yeah, this is a really bad section of rock here. Moving on through. Moving on up. Okay. And there's our ladder. And so nice that they left us a sign to let us know which way to get out. Which is that way.
Thank you. Come again.